Hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 5-coin set from Eritrea from 1991. I went onto eBay looking for some animal coins and I saw this set. The set itself cost me less than £2 for the 5 coins. They're all circulating coins from Eritrea from the 1991 series. On this side, for this 1 cent coin, is the independence theme, the victory or independence of Eritrea. The celebration, I think it's an anniversary celebration. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it may be something like the 20-year celebration, something similar to that. So that's on this side. On the reverse side, we have, is that a deer or an antelope? We have an antelope. This is a very small coin. It's very difficult to see any detail on it. But you have the value of 1 cent. Oops. Let's try and get a bit more detail for you. There you go. You have the value in numeric value there. You have the written value there, and you have an antelope. A very small coin, unfortunately, and the details aren't very easy to see. That's the 1 cent. This has exactly the same obverse, but the reverse is slightly different. This one is the 5 cent coin. I'm not going to show you the obverse again because it's exactly the same as the first one, but this shows a cheetah or leopard relaxing on a trunk of a tree or on a bough branch of a tree. Beautiful detail in the animal fur. You've got all the different design colour. You don't have the coloration there, obviously, because it's a standard copper nickel coin, but the detail that's in the animal's coat is quite spectacular for a coin that size. You have the spots going all the way down, even down through the tail area here. You know, I'm impressed with that coin for something quite that small. So that's the 5 cent. The next one is the 10 cent, and they're slowly getting bigger, the coins, and the details have been able to stand out more. Again, you've got the value in both text and in numeric value there, and the 10 cent shows an ostrich. Oh, excuse me, the drink went down the wrong way there. Right, the next one is a 1991 again. Whoa. And this is the 25 cent coin, and it shows a zebra. Now, about the time that these coins were introduced, Eritrea was going through a civil war and was also being, I believe, was it Nigeria or one of those other countries they were at war with. So this set of coins was very much of the period when they were having an awful lot of problems. So the fact that they've got out of the country and we can see them now is wonderful. Now this is the largest coin of them, so I'm going to show you the obverse again. Now you can see far more detail in here. Very similar to the American flag being raised on Iwo Jima during the Second World War. It shows a group of soldiers with a flag being put in place on a mountain, I believe, with 1991. So that was I don't know whether this is the year the coin was minted, and it's possibly celebrating that War of Independence, or the war that Eritrea was involved with a few years previously, and it's almost like an anniversary thing. However, this is the 50 cent. Let me just check. I need to check this coin. Won't be a second. I think this is what they call a caribou, or something like that. This particular animal is a antelope, but it has stripes on it. It's striped. It has a striped coat. Now I have seen pictures of this before, and I can't remember exactly what it's called. However, this is the 50 cent coin, and it's the highest value coin of the set. Now, as I say, I got this set on eBay. I've actually found the slip of paper that came with it as a packing note, and it said the 5 coins, 1 cent, 5, 1, 5, 10, 25 and 50 cent, wild animals, including zebra. So the zebra one, I think, is probably the lesser of the coins, or the least minted of the coins. They cost me £1.75 plus postage. Now that was about 3 months ago now that I bought them. It's taken a little while for them to arrive to me. However, I'm very impressed with them. I actually thought these were a lot better than I saw them on the actual page. As far as I'm concerned, I love those coins. I thought they were wonderful. So, we have an animal coin hunt from Eritrea. That's the end of the actual hunt itself. The coins are packaged up, ready for me to store until such time as I can flip them and put them into my collection. Thank you for watching. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I'm aiming to try and get through 200 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm in the mid-130s at the moment, at the end of January 2023. So I'm looking for around 70 plus subscribers by the end of the year. So if you haven't yet subscribed and you think I deserve it, would you please hit the subscribe button? If you enjoyed this video, could you also give me the thumbs up? Both of them will help with the algorithm that puts me in front of new people who've not seen my videos before. As I said, I do 4 videos a week. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, as I've done with this set, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.